Today we're gonna paint rocks with the rock marker that my auntie gave me. Let's do it, friends. First you'll need some rocks and then rock markers, and then you'll open them up. Just shake them up. Ask your parent to draw something on your rock. I'm gonna start with the pink one first. I'm drawing his legs, and then his eyes, and then his mouth, and then his body, and then his scarf, and then I smudged it a little bit. Now I'm finishing my mom's pink one. Next I'm gonna draw a rainbow. The rock that matches the shape. Like if you have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, violet, then that's good. Now I'm drawing love. I needed love, dun 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 dun. I needed love, dun 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 dun. I'm gonna draw for my name letter E. You can pick your initial. Maybe give it to your parent as a gift. Next, you're gonna draw a big, scary dinosaur. Then you're gonna color with green. Make sure your green doesn't run out of green. Now black for the eyes. Make sure black is messy. Don't get it on your hands. I'm getting my dinosaur golden teeth. Now I'm saying rod for the dinosaur. Now I'm building a picture cat. Pikachus are yellow. Then we're gonna draw a blue color, windows, and then green for the color, and then let's draw some, and then let's draw tires for the car to drive. Vroom, vroom. Last I'm gonna do a flower. It was a sunflower. It's all kinds of colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, violet. That's a wrap, friends. Go find some rocks and get some markers. Color away!